Hey guys, this is Fundon on Wenshopawama. Tonight on Uzalo, a desperate Kapsile pretends to blast a commission stole, abusing of power on their radio and social media if he does not release Kunzi. And it seems like Kapsile is waiting for Nkunzi on Gwanjomane with her manager of K Masha FM. But her manager does not think that Commissioner Stolle will release Nkunzi. She wants to continue with the event, while Kapsile has a hope on Nkunzi that he will come. Kuala is feeling deeply on love with Nosipho. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
I know.